Hey guys, well, we came up with a name for the little black TJ. It will be Hodor. To walk through some of the things that we have done so far. Of course, got the spacers and the Rubicon rims on it. Little upgrade there. Got rid of the busted hard top and went with soft top that I happen to have. Still need a windshield. We've got new lettering already. We've also changed out fender flares, step rails. Moving on to the front. Got new marker lights, new headlights with halos. We still got a busted up hood that we got to change. It's my little dog Rufus. He gets pissed when I'm out here and he can't come out. So we have put a tire carrier in the back. We had to do the spacer here, and I have another one coming for here so that we can accommodate the Rubicon fifth wheel. LED taillights. Third brake light is working now. All lights are working. Now, some of the stuff inside is we still got a door that won't open. We have spray bed lined the inside 2 coats. We have painted the console. We got a new bezel, center bezel here, and we're waiting on the radio to come in. Got new door speakers on both sides. Trying to figure out if I'm gonna do the tweeters or not, but I was able to find a sound bar. So we have the sound bar now. We'll be getting some waterproof seat cushions soon. And yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Open up the back. Those are my temporary windows for the doors while they're still busted. And this is to keep water out for right now until the bar comes in. I was able to find the bumpers on eBay, 5. We do have the tow wires hooked up correctly. I'll show you kind of some other stuff I've got here. We have a new gas tank and gas tank skid plate to put in, because that one is currently being held up by a strap. I'll show you that now. Yeah, it's in pretty rough shape. You can see they got a strap on it. So that'll be soon. And then we'll figure out what we're gonna do with the bumper once I get the gas tank in. But yeah, that's Hodor. Hodor is coming along. And of course, we have the 2023 JL Wrangler Rubicon 4xe, also known as Rougarou. She is a beaut. Got her all cleaned up.